It's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. And this big cake, thank you. Thank you to my best friend. Thanks for gift. And thanks God for everything I have. And thanks God for all blessing. Ayoko umiyak. I'm happy and sad because in almost 8 years, I'm only want to celebrate my birthday. But thanks God. Thanks God for everything. And thanks God for another year. Wala na akong masabi kundi maraming salamat sa Panginoon. Ayan. And happy birthday, self! And nagluto ako ng, ayan, tom yum spaghetti. At meron akong iced tea. Simple lang yung birthday ko. Kasi nga siyempre dito tayo sa ibang bansa. So, ayan. Maraming salamat sa nagmamahal sa akin. Maraming salamat. Especially sa Panginoon at kina mama at papa, sa dalawa kong anak na si Manny at Samantha, at sa mga kapatid ko and all family na sumusuporta at tumutulong sa akin. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Oh! Happy birthday, self! We are 31 years old. We are going old. Thank you. Thank you, God.